It's sunrise over the northern side of the Keppels. I've just had a shower and I've done all my washing, or a good part of it anyway. Spent up 20 litres of water so far on the washing. I've still got 30 litres left, but today I'm hoping to go into Yeppoon on the high tide. At the moment it's low, and I'm going to go into Fig Tree Creek at Yeppoon. I looked at the price of the marina and that was $40 a night for a 9-metre boat to 11 metres. Well, that's not me, so I'm going to go into Fig Tree Creek and just dry out on my legs. I must admit I'm the smallest boat in the bay. Most of these are to come out of Yeppoon. Yeah, I came here probably 30 odd years ago as a backpacker. I went to Rockhampton to the youth hostel, and I caught the quite a large nice motor launch over here to Great Keppel, and it was a hive of activity for backpackers in those days. Rockhampton was, I think, had 300 beds, and it was just a sight to behold. And then why it was so popular with Rockhampton is you could come to Great Keppel as long as you booked in there. I came over here and I thought this beach and the island was heaven. After coming from England and walking along here, having a swim. What an idyllic spot. We've got Stratos there, drying out all our washing from this morning. We've come in this creek, I think it's Boat Harbour or something like that, on the northern side of Great Keppel Island. And with the tide coming in, you won't find a more idyllic spot. Beautiful beaches of Great Keppel Island.
Wasn't perfect.
It was pretty good from here.
Where did you start from?
Brisbane. Nothing. Oh well, bet every 10 casts you might catch something. Yeah, looking into the sun is where I'm going. I've got the spinnaker up at the moment, still got all the washing out, trying to dry it. And yeah, this Fig Tree Cove, I decided to go there. The marina was for 9 meters to 11 meters, it was $40 a night, and I thought, well, I'm only 6 meters long, and I thought, well, I'm not paying $40 a night. So I'm going to Pirates Cove, or to Fig Tree Cove, where I can dry out. So that'll suit me fine, right in the centre of town. So we'll see what that's like later on today.